Hi guys, it's Marlene and I am one of the Information Girls, and today we are going to be talking about YouTube policies on inactive accounts policy. So what is it? First of all, in general, this is when users are expected to be active members within the YouTube community. And if an account is found to be overly inactive, the account may be reclaimed by YouTube without notice. Inactivity may be considered as not logging into the site for at least 6 months, never having uploaded video content, not actively partaking in watching or commenting on videos or channels. So here are some encouraging terms of service violations. If you post content that encourages other users to violate our terms of service, the content may be removed. Your account may be penalized, and in some cases, your account may be terminated. So posting previously removed content. If you post content previously removed for violating our terms of service, or content from creators who have been terminated under our terms, the content may be removed. Your account may be penalized, and in some cases, your account may be terminated. So, age requirements on Google products. We may ask you to confirm your age if we think you are not old enough to use YouTube. You can learn more about this process here. And as always, guys, this information will be linked in the description box of this video. I am Marlene. I am one of the Information Girls. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe right now and make sure you turn on your notification bell so you will not miss any future uploads or when we go live. And as Gio and I say on the Information Girls, no rumors, just the facts.
Information Girls, we got the goals, we got strategies where dreams come true. Let's rock this chat, don't need no flag, got a lot of things to keep intact. So pack that channel and show some loving. No rumors, just the facts. Don't you give up.